कई लोग कहते हैं कि भक्ति और ट्रेजर्स का क्या संबंध है। आप वही पाते हैं जिसकी ओर आपकी भक्ति है। धन के बारे में भक्ति है, जो हो रहा वो दिख ही रहे। तो भक्ति का ये मतलब नहीं कि आप भगवान के बारे में सोच रहे हैं। भक्ति का मतलब है कि आपको क्या चाहिए, व्हाट डू यू डिजायर। दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. We have forgotten to analyze ourselves what we desire. Much of our desires are dependent upon the society. The way in which the society wants you to think, you think in that way. But what is it that you want? Then the problem comes, you have to know who you are. Atmanam vidhi, apne ko jano, self-realization. So, the basics of Param Pujya Gurudev's yoga. So, this is fundamentally what we should remember. The USA, Upasana, Sadhana and Aradhana is the basis by which you will get 8 siddhis and 9 treasures. And the entire yoga is meant only for that. Yoga means union, joining together. You join yourself with the technology, siddhi of engineering, you become an engineer. You join yourself with the talent, talent is siddhi. सिद्धि का मतलब तो यही हुआ ना कि आपका क्या टैलेंट है, आप किस में सिद्ध हैं, सिद्ध पुरुष जिसे कहते हैं. तो इफ यू आर जॉइंड विथ मेडिकल नॉलेज, यू बिकम ए डॉक्टर. You join the knowledge of getting physics, physics siddhi, you become a physicist. So this angle you should think about the 8 siddhis, the basics in the universe. There are 8 levels of talents which can be utilized in any profession, whatever it is. So that is the universality of the yoga. Whether you are a doctor, you are an engineer, you are a physicist, you are a politician, you are a businessman, you are a scientist, whatever you are, if you have these basic 8 talents, Ashta Siddhi, you can amass the 9 treasures. And when I say amass, I mean amass. It automatically, the flow of treasures happens in nature. So this first point all of you understood. If you have any questions, you ask me. You understood all this? All of you? This is the real yoga. This is what yoga is meant for. But unfortunately nowadays, the yogic asanas are meant only for health, if I am right. Majority of the yogic exercises are for physical health. But actually, the yogic exercises are meant for physical, emotional and mental health. It is a 3 levels of health which is required. And every asana has all the 3 levels of benefits. But the thing is, you have to orient yourself to that way of thinking, into that way of practicing. I am coming now to the second point. First point, again and again I am telling, because I want you to become the messengers, the ambassadors of Param Pujya Gurudev and the tremendous knowledge. I just don't know what type of adjective I have to put with the knowledge before him. Tremendous, stupendous, magnificent. And you go on putting the adjectives, and all your adjectives will not exhaust his knowledge. So we have to be prepared that we are doing this yoga class not as a yoga class what people already come with a belief. We are telling them that there are 8 levels of consciousness, and the mastery of those 8 levels of consciousness gives you 9 levels of treasures. And to learn this process with a perfect health, physical, emotional, mental, is the syllabus and course of Param Pujya Gurudev's yoga. Is this clear? The difference between other yogas and these yogas. But this doesn't mean that the other yogas are wrong. they are partially correct. They concentrate on one aspect, and that is also essential. Because when you know the fundamentals of chemistry, then you can become an organic chemist or a physical chemist or a nuclear chemist or whatever chemist you want to be. But without knowing the fundamentals of chemistry, you cannot become the expert chemists, is it not? Similarly, the Param Pujya Gurudev is directly giving you the 8 levels of consciousness. And what are those 8 levels? Param Pujya Gurudev says that entire body is made up of 5 elements, 5 principles, not elements. Let me correct it. Principles. You should know. Do you know the difference between an element and a principle? I will explain it. So, these 5 principles plus your physical, subtle and spiritual body, these are the 8 basics of all yogas. Getting mastery over these principles and the 3 bodies. The 5 principles are the earth principle, the water principle, the fire principle, the air principle, the space principle. These are the 5 principles. And the Yoga Shastras of Param Pujya Gurudev, in his book he has written it, one Vangmaya, I don't remember the number of it, Gayatri, Kundalini and Savitri, that is Vangmaya. And he has written 5 books on Gayatri, 5 Vangmayas. So in all these things he explains that whoever wants to get a grip over the earth principle becomes a politician. I am telling how vastly different Param Pujya Gurudev's approach towards developing this knowledge. So if anyone wants to become a good politician, a capable politician, as Param Pujya Gurudev wants, who can be a source of making the physical earth a heaven on here, then that type of politician who understands the principles of Prithvi Tattva knows it. And all asanas in Prithvi Tattva which we do in a sleeping position or a lying, not sleeping position of course, I mean a lying down position,